Okay, so usually pitches like this start off with a description of the problem. Now we all know what the parking problem is. I was talking to a friend of mine in advertising, and he came up, he used this term motherhood statement. So I started to wonder, is there a motherhood statement that captures the parking problem? Uh, and what I came up with is basically there are three main actors or protagonists when you think about parking. So the first one is businesses who really care about money, whether they offer free parking or valet parking or paid parking. It ultimately comes down to money. Whether it's a corporate office which is creating value, which generates more revenue or whatever that might be, or it's a mall or an airport which directly charges for parking. Uh, then you have governments. Governments basically care about order. So, order in society, ensuring that, people are following the rules, nobody is parking in the wrong places and so on. And the third one is vehicle owners. So vehicle owners usually just care about what's in it for me. What is the experience for me? How much is it going to cost me? So I sort of acronymize that. Unfortunately, I don't have my slide. And, I call it the mom of parking. Now, it's important to realize there's one more universal truth about parking. We usually tend to think of parking as a problem only for vehicle owners. But that's actually not true. It's a problem for everyone from pedestrians to security guards to operators who work in a parking lot, parking managers, and so on. One of the main reasons we wanted to plug in was we wanted to show you a video of how we solved this problem so that you can actually see it in action. So hopefully if that comes up, we will be able to show you a live customer site, where this is working. Or I can actually hold up the Mac here and hopefully you'll be able to see it. Yeah. So, yeah. So this is a video. My apologies for people in the back. I'm not able to bring this up here, but basically this shows, so what happens is, I'll talk through it as the video is playing. A person comes in, a vehicle drives in, and then our mobile, the operator, the parking operator, presses a button on his phone, and it kind of opens the boom barrier automatically. The vehicle details are captured, and a receipt is printed automatically. He hands it over to this person. And then this is the exit flow. So this data is synced across any number of gates or any number of entry and exit points for off-street. For on-street, it is synced across all the devices for that particular location. So there you will see the display panel. It will show you. So if any of you actually go to Fun Republic in Lokhandwala, Andheri, you will be able to see the system in action. This is a video from there. So there is a display panel that shows you what your charges are. It displays welcome messages, thank you messages. It can, it's like a variable message sign. And you can also do things like detect passes. So for instance, if you have employees, then, it will show up as an employee pass or, many. So you can basically associate a wide range of identifiers to any vehicle. And that is basically the USP of the system. The core differentiator is if you look at parking solutions today, a lot of the existing parking solutions use a legacy approach, which involves computers, LAN connectivity, porta cabins. And what we're seeing is businesses want to reduce their investment in parking and also want to increase their revenues. And vehicle owners need a number of features which are not possible with those solutions. So with that, I'll hand over to Sumit.
I'll talk a little bit about what kind of platform we are planning to make. So right now we are focusing on businesses. So businesses involve shopping malls, pay and parks, corporate parks, hospitals, airports, metro stations. So all these are businesses. So we are right now building a solution for businesses. So the solution, as Sachin explained, it involves a mobile phone, which the mobile phone is connected to multiple IoT devices. It is connected to boom barrier, display panel, printer. Then there is some kind of magnetometer which detects the number of vehicles which is coming in and going out. So right now our main focus is supply side. Once we have good enough supply side, we are going to move to vehicle owners. So that is going to be a demand side. So vehicle owners are basically, we are going to open up a platform to find a parking, to navigate to a parking, to search real-time parking availability, to book for parking, to make digital payments for parking. And then your booking is going to be recognized at the parking place, and you will not, so that the time taken to sort of go inside and come outside of the parking lot is going to be reduced. So there's a kind of solution that we are building for vehicle owners. We have a business side, we have a customer side. Now in the end, I would like to talk about why invest in, yeah. So basically these are the kind of applications that you are building for
sorry to-
businesses and for citizens.
Sorry to interrupt you. Just
So-
1 more minute
Sure,
extra has
sure.
been given to you.
So in the end, in last 1 minute, I would like to talk about why invest in us. So there are some 5-6 pointers. So first thing is we are one second, you hold it, it's okay. So recently only we closed one pilot in one of the smart cities, and that project only is going to be like a multi-crore project. So there are going to be 100 smart cities, and there are 500 rejuvenation that is going to happen in multiple cities. So it is like a 22 billion market, and we believe like we are in the right position to sort of capture that market. Second thing, why invest in us is because we are focusing on B2B first and then B2C. So we are trying to build a solution for B2B. And for B2B, we have a clear monetization strategy with 3 components. One is we sell hardware components. Second is we sell annual charges. And then there is a integration fee, installation fee. So there is a clear-cut monetization channel for businesses. Then third is high growth demand side. So once we build the supply side, we are going to open our channel for vehicle owners. Then there is going to be booking commission, there is going to be marketing, advertising, notification commission, so digital payment commission. So there are going to be commission involved in vehicle owners. And then in the end, we are building a solution which is modular in nature. So be it a small pay and park where there is only one phone, one printer required, or be
Sorry,
it
your
a
time's
large
up,
shopping
your
mall
time's up,
where there
sorry.
are like multiple phones, multiple printers, display panels, LED panels, all are involved. So we are building a solution for both kind of customers.
Just summarizing that, one last thing is there's data that shows that India will contribute to 20% of the global growth in parking infrastructure by 2050. So that is a 600% increase. And the parking industry in India is just starting to become organized. So I think the timing is kind of right for a new solution to come in and to create. So ours is a platform to create new customer experiences around parking, and we believe that that is the right time.